So increasingly, the heavier middle tier is allowing insurers to compose products into more complete propositions. So this is that box that we saw a couple of slides ago. This idea that actually you can take some of those products that exist in multiple back-end systems that you have, multiple parts of that core, and compose them in different ways. Suddenly you can have a multi-car product or a whole household product or a commercial combined product and offering in different ways. So this isn't particularly new, but the one that's interesting now is this idea of the insurance product as an API. The proposition that you build by composing these things creates a new API that then other folks, maybe a broker portal, maybe the brokers themselves, agent systems, and underwriting desktop can start to leverage that proposition in order to offer a different type of product, which is an interesting capability. And one of the things I wanted to pull out here when we're talking about this is not just about an API gateway. This is about insurance content in a middle layer delivering new capabilities in an insurance context. This is very much about an insurance middle layer. And we'll hear a little bit from Martin, I'm sure, shortly around some of the capabilities that they have. So they've gone a little further than this, and that their middle layer can actually host products and produce products itself. So actually, if you had something that was entirely new, entirely different, middle layer offers the opportunity to either tap into that InsureTech ecosystem to get that new capability, that new product, or in some cases to host that product itself as well. But that's a great point, a great segue to hand over to Martin, and he can talk through what eBautech have been doing.
Next is a diagram that outlines our InsureMO and digital core solutions. InsureMO can be used as a development platform to configure products, create custom apps, and connect to third-party sales channels and your broader business and technology ecosystems. Or you can also use our out-of-the-box digital core apps such as policy administration, claim, and billing that are powered by the InsureMO platform. InsureMO is like a giant box of Legos. You can construct from the simple to the very complex. Leverage the out-of-the-box digital core, or more often than not, we see clients using some combination of both. InsureMO capabilities include a digital product library, a rating and rules engine, a library of insurance-specific APIs, and an ever-expanding library of third-party APIs. And finally, it provides a set of utilities and cloud administration tools to help manage it all. Content in our digital product library can be copied to a runtime configuration studio and used as a product launch accelerator. Once completed, product configuration can be published along with rating and rules to the runtime engine, making the products available via API. What differentiates InsureMO is that it provides insurance-specific microservice and hundreds of RESTful APIs, not just generic submission, quote, and issue, or claim F&OL, but a library of highly granular APIs that can be orchestrated to create unique customer journeys. In addition to the existing library of insurance-specific APIs, there are additional third-party services and APIs to facilitate services such as text messaging, emails, and payments. Using InsureMO, your organization can easily develop new APIs to connect with AWS or Azure services, or one of the many third-party insurance service providers for things like AI, IoT, or big data. The options today are limitless. You simply need a robust middle office layer to take advantage of them all. Using InsureMO, you can easily and rapidly create a unique customer journeys and experiences using an array of tools. For example, you can create your own custom website and front ends using the latest in digital framework like Angular, or create new front ends or native apps using a number of the low-code tools available in the market, such as Salesforce Lightning, Microsoft Power Apps, OutSystems, or Mendix. For example, while none of us at eBautech are Salesforce experts, we were able to create a proof of concept in a matter of days by configuring a product on InsureMO, exposing the APIs, and coding a native app on the Salesforce Lightning platform. With respect to technology, InsureMO is built on the latest cloud-native technology based on microservices, RESTful API architecture, and powered by Kubernetes and Docker. It's built for massive volume, variation, and velocity. It's more than just enterprise scalable, it's internet scalable.